Alright folks, I just wanted to show you this Rolex, supposedly, GMT Master 2 wall clock. Got this from, dang it, I can't get this very well. I love the thing. It was $98 from, I don't know, one of the Oriental expressways, and comes with all the lettering. See if I can get it. And it comes with the Cyclops date thing. And then flip it over and just show you what it's got. It's all stainless steel. Pretty doggone cool if you ask me. It's a little hanger, little battery powered thing, and then this here little gizmo down here is where you change the date on it. Yeah, I really like it. I've got another black one. Well, two of them that's coming that I'm giving for gifts to somebody that I think they'll really like them. But there you go, folks. The Rolex wall clock. Alright, take care. Thanks. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Here's Mr. Wonderful, little lovey dog.